Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Remove the cover by prying it off.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Remove the screw by turning it counterclockwise.
Here's a closer look at the screw.
Once you feel that the screw is loose enough, you're probably good to get this out. Be careful pulling it out though. The screw in here does not come out all the way. It actually stays in there, more than likely just so you don't lose it.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Disconnect the bulb housing. Push the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the new housing. Replace the housing. Make sure any hoses or wires going to it are not pinched and it's positioned correctly. Replace the screw by turning it clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.
Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and swinging it back in place.